Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Joitra Creation Designs. All right, y'all, I'm coming to you all today with another how to make DIY project. We're going to be making a pair of African print earrings with a little hint of button and wood bead. Okay, now here are the items that you will need to do this here tutorial. You're going to need some scissors, you're going to need a ruler, you're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers, your choice of fabric. You're going to need, now these circle wooden shapes you can find at Amazon. Okay, I'm putting that out there. You can find this at Amazon. All right, that's where I got these from. These wooden beads right here, I got these from Walmart with my little, show y'all. They come in a thing just like this. All right, got these from Walmart. And these round wooden beads I got from Michael's. They came just like this, okay? You're also going to need a piece of 12 gauge aluminum wire. Your aluminum wire should be at least maybe 10 inches long, okay? And you're going to need 2 fish hooks or whatever hooks that you are going to use for your earring. You will also need your handy dandy glue gun. And now you don't necessarily have to paint your button. It is completely up to you, but I am going to be painting my button jet black, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, y'all, so the very first thing that I did was I cut my Ankara. I'm probably not even pronouncing that right, so I'm not even going to say that word. I'm going to leave it alone, okay? My African print fabric, okay? And I cut it about, I think this is about an inch. This is about an inch wide. And it's about 15 inches long. And all I did basically was fold my sides over, just like this. And I on both sides down. Okay. The next thing you're going to do is I wound up painting, excuse me for the noise, I wound up already painting my button. So I painted it with that paint, okay, and that's already done. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our wood piece and we're going to start wrapping our wood piece with our fabric. So basically, ladies and gentlemen, what you want to do is once your hot glue gun get hot, you want to take it and open up your piece, and you just want to come in and just put just a tad bit of glue on the inside, just like this, and then you close it up. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start wrapping our wood piece. All right, so I'm going to take and just apply a little bit right here at the tip, and I'm going to try to place it in the center of my bead just like that. Okay, and then we're going to start wrapping. So we're going to start wrapping our piece, and you want to wrap with the pieces that's closed in together. So this right here, you want on the inside. Okay, you want your folds on the inside. And as you're wrapping, make sure that you hold your piece as tight as you can get it. Okay, and we want to come all the way around. And these earrings, I'm sure you can make these like within a matter of maybe 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes the most. If you got everything, yes. If you got all your stuff together, you can definitely do these in like 30 minutes or less, 10 minutes or less, 15 minutes or less. All right, so as you can see, I'm just wrapping it around, rolling it, wrapping it, holding it as tight as I can, and yep. And this is this. Okay. And then when you finish it, you just bring it back through, just like this. Okay, you just want to bring it out, and basically what you want to do next is you want to take your scissors and you want to snip this off just like that, and you want to apply some glue here. Okay, squeeze that up, squeeze it up just like that. Clean it up, because y'all know how whatchamacallit glue can be. All right, and I'm gonna hit it right there just with a little bit more glue. Try to do it very lightly. Yeah, there you go. So our piece can be completely sealed. And here you have your piece. Whoops, sorry y'all. Clean it up, all that good stuff. There you have it. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 12 gauge aluminum wire that we have already cut. We're done with this. And we're going to take it and bend it just like this. And we're going to stick it through our piece. You want to try to wrap the piece where you fold it, where the glue is, because you want to try to hide the glue as much as possible. But it's all pretty much blending in, okay? So then you want to take your piece and you want to bring it together like this, and you want to take another piece and stick it back through here just like this, and then bring it up. Okay? So you want to, I don't know why that's like doing that. There you go. Okay, now both of your pieces are not going to be even. You don't have to worry about that, but this is what you're going to have. Okay, that's the back, this is the front. And basically the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your button, and like I said, it doesn't matter if these two are even or not, and you're going to put one through one side and one through the other side, and just bring it down as close as you can to your bead. Okay, and then the very last thing you're going to do is you're going to add on your big this is a really huge bead. I don't really know the size of that. It looked like it's about 18 or 20. Yeah, it looked like it's about 18 or 20. And then you just slide this on, but you got to make sure whatever bead you use to do this, that the hole is big enough, okay? So that you can get both pieces of the wire through. You bring that down like this, okay? And then the next thing you want to do is you want to wrap it. It doesn't really matter which way you wrap it. And let me get my... So you basically want to just Take your piece and hold it as tight as you can, and then just take, I'm gonna take the front piece and just wrap it around the back piece, just like this. Maybe once or twice, it's not once or twice. Okay, straighten it up a little. All right, so you all can see what I'm doing. And I'm just gonna snip this off right here. Just like that. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come in and just squeeze that in. And then I'm gonna pinch this over to the side. I'm gonna take my index finger. I'll always come up and measure this with my index finger. Come up to the tip, snip that off, and then I'm going to squeeze this, give it some indentation, just like this. And I'm going to make my loop. So I'm going to bring this over like this. Straighten it up. And then squeeze it and give it some more indentation. And here you have your really cute African print button earring. And the last thing you do is you open this up, you slide your earring on, close it up. Okay, and there you have it. Now you may have to put a jump ring, a couple, you might have to put a couple jump rings up at the top. Some smaller jump rings, because sometimes this aluminum wire can be pretty thick. Okay, and when I say pretty thick, I mean it may be thick, that it might be too thick for your fish hook to fit properly. Okay, so here we have it. So here is your finished project. Beautiful piece. This is gorgeous, y'all. Okay. Beautiful piece. It's different. It is definitely unique. And I want to take the time out to say thank you all. For those of you who have been a super supporter, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. I also want to tell you all that please make sure that you are subscribed and make sure you have your notification bell set on so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. So I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. And until the next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace and blessings. See ya.